Cause if my future kids end up like me, they won't get to sleep.